Hi world, welcome to FYELABS. We're so excited to show you how we innovate today. We're a product development firm uniquely designed to help small businesses compete with the Goliaths of the world.
We work with small to medium-sized businesses all around the world in the field of software, industrial automation, and many others. When a client will come to us with a problem, they're often constrained in time, budget, or both. That means that we need to work with them to create the most efficient product development roadmap and product architecture. This is the MCX, a once state-of-the-art data center used for mission-critical operations. These had since been decommissioned and are now used at FYELABS for research and development for our clients.
In order to help our clients deliver their projects on time and on budget, we have this 3D printer in-house. It lets us build mechanical samples like this much faster than we'd be able to get if we had to get them outside of our shop.
What we do is product development, but not regular product development. We do rapid and innovative product development. During this process, many times it happens that we need a specific part to be manufactured. For example, this metal piece that is required for a robotic bagger we are building. If we want to make these parts out of our house, it's gonna take 2 to 3 weeks. This doesn't work for us because we need to do it in a rapid way. So that's why we have this kind of equipment like these 2D CNC machines and other equipments as well to manufacture these parts for ourselves. This is how we do the product development process rapid and innovative.
So here at FYELABS, we work on various different projects. At a given time, there might be 10, 15 different projects we are working on, split in multiple groups. And as you can imagine, these are all rapid projects, meaning like in 4 to 6 weeks, 8 weeks, they need to be finished. Therefore, various activities need to be very tightly coordinated. And this is where we have developed a unique project management system where we can track things in real time with the online tool, and we give our customers access to that tool. This is quite unique in the industry where this level of transparency, where the clients can see what specific task we are working on, who is the resource that's working on that task, and then they can raise tickets or they can interact with them. And this is more like we're an extension to their development team rather than like a consultant.
FYELABS started initially as a research center at McMaster University. So at the research center, we had industry partners who come to us with problems that they wanted solution for, and then we match them to professors, masters and PhD students who have knowledge regarding their problem that would help them solve the problem. But we found that there isn't a lot of synergy in that, because when somebody in the industry have a problem, they want a solution within weeks, but by nature, research takes years. So this is where the idea of FYELABS sparked. We thought we're not going to be able to provide the industry partners with what they need through the university. So we decided to spin out, create FYELAB, where we do product development for small and medium enterprise. So the thing I like the most about working at FYELABS is meeting new people. So during my journey at FYELABS, I met a lot of brilliant people with brilliant ideas who want to take on the world. The way we work at FYELABS is that we encourage collaboration. We don't just take the requirements and disappear and go build a product and come back to the customer, because the customer is the one who's the most passionate about that product. So by collaborating with them, we can translate that passion into an amazing product.
We started out with a team of only 6 people, and in a span of 7 months we've grown to 19, which is quite phenomenal. So what we provide is innovation as a service, and innovation in general means you have to solve problems very, very quickly. And in order to do that, you need to be hyper aware of what's out there in the world. What's magical about the McMaster Innovation Park, this particular building, is that I could take a stroll out of my office, and in the hallway and in the elevator, I'd bump into 5 founders with 5 new ideas of how they want to change the world. And that's been quite a catalyst in how we operate. We know what's going on out in the world without even having to leave the building. We see a lot of inquiries coming in from elsewhere in Canada, the United States, elsewhere in the world. So what we want to do going forward is keep expanding our base at the MIP while bringing in problems from the rest of the world back home here, so that our team here can solve them and spread them throughout the world. So from our home here at the McMaster Innovation Park, we want to have a global impact.
Thank you so much for visiting FYELABS today. We can't wait to see you next time. We love being here at MIP. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out, and to learn more, visit our website.